Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Studyism Quest. In this video, we will discover the magic of solids, liquids and gases. So let's dive in. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Everything around us is made up of matter. The air we breathe, the water we drink and even the toys you play with are different forms of matter. Solids are things that keep your own shape and don't change. The particles in the solids are very close to each other. Look around the room you are in. Can you spot any solids? Liquids are things that take the space of whatever container they are in, but they still stay together. The particles of liquids are not closely packed, they have a space between them. The water you drink, the blood inside your body are liquid. Gases are like invisible air. They can fill any space and don't have a special shape. The particles of gases are very far from each other. We breathe in gas oxygen and we breathe out gas carbon dioxide. Changes of state. Matter can change into one state to another. Let's see an introduction to different phase changes of matter and their examples. Changes of state of matter occur when matter changes from one state to another. The properties of changes are: it is reversible. It does not involve temperature changes. It is a physical change. It occurs when heat is removed or added. Types of changes of state. Melting. In melting, solid changes into liquid. In this process, heat is added. For example, a block of melting butter. Freezing. Liquid changes into a solid. Heat is removed in this process. For example, water turning into ice. Evaporation. Liquid changes into gas. In this process, heat is added. For example, wet clothes drying in the sun. Condensation. Gas changes into liquid. Heat is removed in this process. For example, cloud formation in the sky. Sublimation is the process in which solid changes directly into gas and heat is required in this process. For example, dry ice, that is solid form of carbon dioxide, is directly changes into carbon dioxide gas. In deposition, gas directly changes into solid without going through the liquid state. Heat is removed in this process. The formation of frost is example of deposition. Now look at these pictures. What do you think? Which transformation does the images show? These images show the process of melting. Ice cream, snowmen and ice cubes are going to melt. Which transformation does the image show? Yes, you are right. Evaporation. The wet cloths are drying under the sunlight. The water is evaporating. Which transformation does the images show? These images show condensation. The formation of clouds in water droplets on the cold surface of cans are due to the process of condensation. Which transformation does the images show? Yes, these images show freezing, the process in which liquid turns into solid. Matter can go under chemical versus physical changes. Chemical changes involve the formation of new substance. Usually these changes are irreversible. Physical changes involve a change in the physical state of matter, mean change in shape, but no new substance is formed. Usually these changes are reversible. Let's see the differences between physical and chemical changes. In physical change, no new substances with different properties are formed. Most physical changes are temporary. Most physical changes can be reversed. Example is melting of ice. In chemical change, new substances with different properties are formed. Most chemical changes are permanent. Most chemical changes cannot be reversed. Example is changing of milk into curd. Now let's do some matching activity. As we know, matter can undergo physical and chemical change. A physical change does not cause a change in chemical composition. A chemical change does cause a change in chemical composition. Match each of the graphics with the correct type of change, physical or chemical. Example, burning wood is a chemical change. Rusting of iron in boiling water. What are these changes? Rusting of iron is a chemical change. Boiling water is a physical change. What are these changes? Frying an egg and melting ice cubes. Frying an egg is a chemical change. Melting ice cube is a physical change. Cutting vegetables and spoiling food are which kind of changes? Cutting vegetables is a physical change. Food spoiling is a chemical change. I hope you enjoyed learning about physical and chemical changes today. And I hope the concept of physical and chemical changes is really clear to you. Look around and see if you can identify the physical and chemical changes around you. I am sure you are gonna find lots of them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye. Till next time.